Schedule a test drive in the new Chevrolet Cruze as soon as possible. We are the Dallas, Texas car dealership. We are experts in new and used Chevrolet cars, trucks and SUVs in the Dallas area. We also serve other local areas near Dallas such as University Park, Hutchins, Balch Springs, Grand Prairie, Sunnyvale and Rowlett. We take pride in being a Dallas-based Chevrolet car dealership that works hard for our customers with helpful and responsive staff, excellent support, extremely good customer support reputation. Contact us first if you're seeking a Chevrolet Cruze, or come in and visit us for a test spin in your next Cruze today.